Hello developers, welcome back to jQuery series. In this video we can discuss about the syntax of jQuery. It means how we can write JavaScript code in jQuery. Okay, in jQuery basically there are two things. First one is select HTML element. Second one is perform any jQuery function or action on that selected element. Okay, so first we will discuss how to select HTML element in jQuery. Okay, when you will see $sign with bracket, then you should understand jQuery code is used if it is within this script tag. Okay, that is the identity of jQuery. Now you can see within this bracket you will add selector, means in which selector you want to select, and basically this selector is same as CSS selector, means suppose if you want to select any ID, then you will mention has and its ID name, and for class we have to use dot and its class name. Look, in JavaScript, we will write document.getElement by ID, but in jQuery, only $sign, then parenthesis start and end, then within parenthesis we can use single or double quotation, then we have to use selector within quotation. In this way we can select any HTML element. So you should only remember selector means dollar and parenthesis start and end. This is the syntax of selector. Okay, now comes to second point. Suppose after select id, then how we can apply any function on that id. Okay, so jQuery provides its own function or action, so that function we can use after this. Okay, suppose we want to hide any element, jQuery provides its own function, that is hide function. Okay, so in this case we want to hide element, so already we are selected that id, so after that we have to use dot hide function. Okay, that is the syntax of jQuery. So syntax is like dollar, then open and end parenthesis, then within parenthesis we can use selector, then after that we can use jQuery function. Okay, and the above one is the example. Okay, then in next video we can discuss about selectors. Okay, see you in the next video.